I'll demonstrate it again. Pick the outer half of the first stitch first, then the second outer half stitch. Then the hook comes over. At this time, there are 2 loops on the hook. The thread is wrapped through these 2 loops. This is the crochet method for a decrease. Okay, let's move on to the second set. 15 single crochets and 1 decrease. The 10th round is 32 stitches. Now, the last 2 stitches are left. Let's hook a decrease. I'll demonstrate it again. Pick the outer half of the first stitch, then pick the outer half of the second stitch. Hook the thread over. The crochet needle is wrapped through these 2 loops, and this is the crochet method for a decrease. On the 10th round, we hooked it up. Now let's move to the 11th round. The crochet pattern of the 11th round is to hook 6 single crochets first. Six single crochets are now finished. Next, let's hook a set of reduction. Six single crochets and 1 decrease. We are going to repeat the hook 4 times. The 11th round has 28 stitches. On the 11th round, 28 stitches were completed. So now we're moving on to the 12th round. The crochet pattern of the 12th round is to hook 5 single crochets first. Next, hook a set of decreases. 5 single crochets, 1 decrease, and it is a combination. We repeat the hook 4 times. The 12th round of the hook is 24 stitches. The 24 stitches on the 12th round were completed. Next, install the safety eyes. Stretch this loop wider. Let's take a look at what this eye is mounted on, and it is packed in rows 6 to 7. In the middle, there is an interval of 5 needles. Actually, there are 2 hidden stitches here in the middle, and it is to be spaced 7 stitches apart. Let's take a look at this safety eye. Attach the spacer to him first. Colored spacers. It has this effect when we put it on. Now, it is 5 needles in between. We put this buckle on them. Now let's put it on like this first. Then take it off. Then put on your back. One is loaded. Both safety eyes are also installed. Now let's move on. Tighten this loop. Next we are to hook round 13. The crochet pattern of the 13th round is to hook 2 single crochets first, then hook a set of decreases. Repeat the hook 6 times. After hooking the 13th stitch, there are 18 stitches. On the 13th round, the hook was done. Then, now we move on to the 14th round. The hook distance rule on the 14th round is to hook a single crochet and a decrease. A single crochet and one decrease. Repeat the hook 6 times. The 14th round is 12 stitches.